Hey guys, so today I'm going to print out a new nozzle for this Artillery 3D printer. Whenever I received it, it was missing the nozzle that fits here on the cooling fan. That's supposed to be cooling the parts as they print. So I'm going to go ahead and print the nozzle, and I believe it fits right up in here. I did contact Artillery 3D. They sent me the STL file, so I'm definitely going to take and go ahead and add that onto here. I'll find out if they have a link to it. If not, I'll see if they'll let me put a link to the part, just in case you should buy one of these printers and it's missing. They've reassured me that they've actually taken care of that in quality control, that they shouldn't have an issue with it, but for some reason my printer was shipped without it. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and print that out. I'll see you at the end of the time lapse. Okay, so that was 28 minutes. Let's take a look at this and see how it turned out. I had to use support material because if I hadn't, since I don't have that cooler on there, I'm sure it would have caused some problems. That came off nicely. There we go. All the support materials out of it. That's actually a pretty nice little design right there. Now, from what I understand, it should just pop right. Let's see. Will it? Yeah, it pops right into place. Now, I don't trust anything just pops into place, so I got a little bit of this the super glue, Loctite super glue. It's a gel, so I'm going to put a little bit of that on there just to ensure that it doesn't come loose. There we go. So I'm just going to put a little bit in a couple spots there. Not very much, just a little bit. Just so whenever I put it into place, and once again, try not to get my fingers glued on here. There we go. Take a little something to wipe off the extra. There, that'll work. Now, the part should print a whole lot better now. Anyway, that's going to do it for this one. Quick little upgrade. That should take care of it. Should work out really nice. Make sure that's on there. That's on there. Yep. Cool. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Hey guys, thank you very much for watching this video. When you have a chance, please check out my website, jimmyshawstidbits.com, where you can purchase merchandise from my TeePublic store, as well as check out my Amazon affiliate link. Anything purchased from one of those helps the channel tremendously, and I thank you for it. Also, if you'd like to support the channel, as many of these people have, please check out my Patreon link over here. You can support the channel from there. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe over here. And if you'd like to check out one of my other videos, please give one of these a shot. I think you're going to like them, especially that one over there. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Take care.